In this video, I will show you how to make a bold text on Facebook. Firstly, get off from your Facebook, go to your Google site on your browser, then type for bold text and go for it, and it will get up onto these sites. Go on the first selection, which is for me the best site on this platform. Then you need to add text here, for example, hi there, Malexi here, and now just scroll right down to take a look and find out which bold session it is on your main interest. For example, for me, this one is the best. Now I will just copy it and then go for cut and get back to your Facebook. And now simply you can getting up these bold text on wherever you want. I will go on my session site to get a post on it. Go paste and go post. Now you'll need to wait, and as you can see guys, we have got that bold text on Facebook.